In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change app language in Duolingo. So first head over and launch your Duolingo app, and here make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, at the top left corner of your screen, click on the flag icon and click on the Add Course button. So from here, we're just going to close first our drop-down menu for us to be able to see a full view of all the courses available. Duolingo offers variety of courses for English speakers, Arabic speakers, Bengali speakers, Chinese speakers, and a lot more. Just choose the language you're comfortable to use and even your native language. And say, for example, we're going to choose Japanese language. So click on this drop down menu, and here you can view the courses available in the Japanese language. So, say, for example, we speak English and we want to learn Japanese, so we're just going to click on this course with the American flag. Then proceed by clicking on the continue button. To finalize the changes, click on change to this language button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. And I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!